3, 2, 1. Good night, everyone. Good night. How is everyone doing?
Guinness Sounds of Greatness was launched to celebrate a culture that is very near and dear, I believe, to everybody who's here. And that culture is dancehall. At the heart of dancehall culture, what we say? SoundClash.
When we started this thing so long ago, it was about SoundClash. Now, some of the older folks will say to us, the young people don't know nothing about SoundClash. They know about DJs playing like tune for tune, that kind of thing. But SoundClash is rooted in dancehall, and dancehall is rooted in Jamaica.
Tell me a little bit about where you're from.
Hi, my name is DJ Teino. I'm from the Barbican area.
Uptown. Let me know. And you, sir?
Yeah, I'm JJ Della from Mandeville, but I moved on to Kingston.
I live uptown too. And let me know. From Mandeville uptown. And how did this link up happen?
Through UTech, Municipal College. That's how we linked up. I was playing music at UTech events. I started JJ playing some music with another DJ. And then I think another thing go on, but then...
Your teeth. Just say it. Just say it. In bad and you say no something. And we fair work. So what you know, you tell him answer the things and then all of a sudden problem masters, right?
Yeah.
In a nutshell, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, what did you do at UTech?
Business.
And you?
IT.
So, hello, two very brilliant young men here, and the man them going to themselves on the stage last year. If you saw any of what Juggling Master